We're back on the record in the court's announcement document, which was scheduled at 9 a.m. on today's date of June 1st of 2021. In County Court at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, Judge Terrence Holmes presiding. Next case we're going to call is cause number 323704, State of Texas versus Alexis Petrie Abilene. Miss Abilene was scheduled to be in court this morning for 9 o'clock for the court's arraignment docket. At 9 o'clock, her name was called by the courthouse bailiff. Called by the bailiff at the courthouse door. She did not answer, and she has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 12:08 p.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Alexis Abilene?
No response.
Okay, Alexis Abilene name was just called again by the court's bailiff. She did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Abilene an opportunity to appear in court. She has not appeared in court, therefore, bond will be forfeited and warrant shall be issued for arrest. State, do you have any objections?
No objections, Your Honor.
With no objections, and cause number 323704, warrant will be issued for Alexis Abilene and her bond shall be forfeited. We're on the record in cause number 324394. The case is styled the State of Texas versus Samika N. Henderson. Ms. Henderson was required to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. for the court's arraignment docket. Her name was called at about 9 a.m. by the court's bailiff. She did not answer, and she has not appeared in court since the court's been in session. The time now is 12:10 p.m. on today's date of June 1st of 2021. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Samika Henderson?
Samika Henderson. No response, right?
Samika Henderson's name was just called by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. She did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Henderson an opportunity to appear in court. She has not appeared in court. Therefore, a bond will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for arrest. And cause number 324394. State, you have any objections?
No objections, Your Honor.
No objections. Ms. Samika Henderson bond will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for arrest. And cause number 324394. We're on the record in cause number 328042. Case is styled the State of Texas versus Crystal D. Lucky. Ms. Lucky was required to be in court this morning for the court's arraignment docket at 9 a.m. Her name was called at about 9 a.m. by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. She did not answer. She has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 12:11 p.m. on today's date of June 1st of 2021. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Crystal Lucky?
No response, John.
Crystal Lucky's name was just called again by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. She did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Lucky an opportunity to appear in court. She has not appeared in court. Therefore, her bond will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for arrest. And cause number 328042. State, you have any objections?
No objections, Your Honor.
Ms. Crystal Lucky's bond will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for arrest. And cause number 328042. We're on the record in two cases. First case is cause number 328742. Second case is cause number 328744. Both cases are styled the State of Texas versus Janika Lachey Gillum. Ms. Gillum was required to be in court this morning on the court's arraignment docket at 9 a.m. Her name was called at about 9 a.m. by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. She did not respond, and she has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. Therefore, A bond will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for arrest in cause number 328742 and cause number 328744. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Janika Gillum?
Janika Williams. No response, Your Honor.
Okay, Janika Gilliam, or Gillum, name was called by the bailiff. The time now is 12:13 p.m. on today's date. She did not respond. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Gilliam an opportunity to appear in court. She has not appeared in court. Therefore, a bond will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for arrest in cause number 328742 and cause number 328744. State, you have any objections?
No objections, Your Honor.
No objections. Ms. Janika Gilliam, bonds will be forfeited in cause number 328742 and cause number 328744, and warrant will be issued for arrest in each case. We're on the record in cause number 328762. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Tavion Wiggins. Mr. Wiggins was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. His name was called at or about 9 a.m. by the court's bailiff. And at the courthouse door, he did not answer. He has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 12:15 on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Tavion Wiggins?
Wiggins. Wiggins. No response, Your Honor.
Tavion Wiggins' name was just called by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. He has not answered. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Wiggins an opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. Therefore, his bond will be forfeited. Warrant shall be issued for his arrest in cause number 328762. State, you have any objections?
No objections, Your Honor.
No objections. Warrant will be issued for the arrest of Tavion Wiggins, and his bond will be forfeited in cause number 328762. And this will conclude the calling of the court's arraignment docket on today's date of June 1st of 2021, and the docket was set at 9 a.m. The time now is 12:16 p.m. This is County Court at Law Number 2, Jefferson County, Texas. Judge Terrence L. Holmes presiding.